One sunny day, Ling decided to take a hike in the mountains. She left her house at 8 a.m., drove at a constant speed of 45 miles per hour, and arrived at the hiking trail at 10 a.m. After hiking for 3 hours, Ling drove home at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour. Which of the following graphs best illustrates the distance between Ling's car and her house over the course of her trip? So if she drove at a constant speed of 45 miles per hour and she arrived at the hiking trail at 10 a.m., document this right here. So she drove for 2 hours at 45 miles per hour. So she goes 45 miles an hour, so she goes 90 miles in 2 hours. So at 10 a.m., the distance between Ling's car and her house over the course at this point is 90 miles. Then she hikes for 3 hours. So 1 p.m. is 3 hours later than 10 a.m. So the distance between her house and her car is still 90 miles. And then she drove home at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour. So at 1 p.m. she drives home. She drives 90 miles at 60 miles per hour. So she goes 60 miles an hour and 30 miles in half an hour. So if she goes 90 miles at 60 miles per hour, that's going to be 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hours later is 2:30 p.m. and then the distance between her house and her car is 0 miles. So looking at these graphs, the graph that describes this situation is we see at 8 a.m. she leaves her house, drive at 10 a.m. 90 miles away, stays constant at 90 miles, and then returning at 2:30 here. So the answer is choice E.